Hi everyone. Today we shall discuss belt drives. In that, list of formulae and numericals related to belt drives. Let's see what is a belt drive. A belt drive is one in which two pulleys are connected by means of a belt. Coming to the nomenclature, in the sketch shown above, D1 is the diameter of the larger pulley expressed in millimeter. D2 is diameter of the smaller pulley expressed in millimeter. N1 is the speed of the larger pulley in RPM. N2 is the speed of the smaller pulley in RPM. C is the center distance between two pulleys in mm. S equals to slip of the belt, always expressed in percentage, and T equals to thickness of the belt in millimeter. Now let us see what are the various formulae related to belt drives. The first one, velocity ratio, which is defined as the ratio of speed of driven pulley to the speed of driver pulley, or the diameter of the driver pulley to the diameter of the driven pulley. The velocity ratio is given by the formula N2 by N1 equals to D1 by D2. If the thickness of the belt T is to be considered, then the formula is N2 by N1 equals to D1 plus T divided by D2 plus T. If the slip of the belt is to be considered, velocity ratio is N2 by N1 equals to D1 by D2 multiplied by 1 minus S by 100, where S is expressed as a percentage. If both slip and thickness of the belt is to be considered, then velocity ratio equals to N2 by N1 equals to D1 plus T divided by D2 plus T into 1 minus S by 100. Then what is the velocity of the belt drive? Velocity of the belt drive is always V equals to pi dN by 60, where D is expressed in meters and N is expressed in RPM, and when you divide it by 60 you get in terms of meter per second. If it is for driver pulley, it can be pi D1 N1. If it is for driven pulley, it can be pi D2 N2. But the general formula is pi dN by 60. What is the amount of power transmitted by the belt? P equals to T1 minus T2 into V divided by 1000 kilowatts, where T1 is the tension in the belt on the tight side and T2 is the tension in the belt on the slack side. The next formula is length of the belt drive. We have two types of belt drive, open belt drive and cross belt drive. An open belt drive is one in which both the pulleys rotate in the same direction. Therefore, length of the open belt drive is equal to 2C plus pi into R1 plus R2 plus R1 minus R2 whole square by C. Whereas length of the cross belt drive is one in which the two pulleys rotate in the opposite direction, and LC is given by 2C plus pi into R1 plus R2 plus R1 plus R2 whole square by C. What is the ratio of tension in the belt drive? It is given by T1 by T2 equals to e to the power of mu theta, where mu is the coefficient of friction between the belt and the pulley surface, and theta is the angle of wrap between the belt and the pulley. And theta is always expressed as a radians. T1 equals to tension in belt on tight side and T2 equals to tension in belt on slack side. Having now learned what are the various formulae, let's go to the numericals. The first problem, the sum of diameters of two pulleys is 1200 mm and the pulleys are connected by belt. If the pulleys rotate at 600 rpm and 1800 rpm respectively, find the diameters of each pulley. What is given? In the problem statement, the sum of diameters means D1 plus D2 is 1200 mm, N1 is 600 rpm, N2 is 1800 rpm. You need to find out the values of D1 and D2. Let's go to the solution. We know that velocity ratio equals to N2 by N1. And based on the information given on speed of both the pulleys, it is 1800 by 600, that's equal to 3. We also know that velocity ratio is equal to D1 by D2, that's equal to 3. Therefore, D1 becomes 3 times D2. We already know that D1 plus D2 is 1200. Therefore, substitute D1 as 3 times D2. 3 times d2 plus d2 becomes 1200, and when you add this 4 d2 equals to 1200, d2 equals to 1200 divided by 4, that becomes 300 mm, and obviously d1 equals to 3 times the d2, therefore 3 into 300, that's equal to 900 mm. This is the solution for the first problem. Let's go to second problem. Find the length of open belt driving two parallel shafts 2 meters apart, connected by two pulleys of 0.4 meter and 0.8 meter diameter. What is the additional length of the belt required if cross belt drive is used? So in the problem, the information about both the pulleys and the center distance is given. We need to find out first the length of the open belt drive, then find out what is the length of the cross belt drive, and the difference of those two will give you the additional length of the belt. Let's see how to solve this problem. What is given? The given data is C equals to 2 meter, that's equal to 2000 mm. D1 equals to 0.8 meter, that is 800 mm. Obviously radius R1 equals to D1 by 2, that's equal to 400 mm. And D2 equals to 0.4 meter, that's equal to 400 mm. R2 equals to 200 mm. Let us first find out the length of the open belt drive. L0 equals to 2C plus pi into R1 plus R2 plus R1 minus R2 whole square by C. That's equal to 2 into C is substituted as 2000 plus pi into 400 plus 200 plus 400 minus 200 whole square by 2000, and you get the value of length of open belt as 5904.96 mm. Now let's see what is the length of the cross belt drive. The same formula with change is R1 plus R2 whole square by C. Therefore, LC is obtained as 6064.96. Always note that the length of the cross belt drive will be larger than the length of the open belt drive, and if you subtract LO minus LC, it gives 160 mm. This is the additional length of the belt required, that is 160 mm. Thank you.